I'm back with another video, and as you know the title, I'm doing squishy dares. And as you know, I'm not in my house now. I'm in the hotel and my parents are not here, so I'm doing squishy dares. And I only bought these 3 of my squishies only, and yeah, so let's get started. So guys, I got this. There's 3 papers in here, and I have to take one and read it what I have to do with this squishy. And now I want to choose this squishy. Okay. Now I want to take. Hope I don't get a bad one. Okay, I'm not going to see it. Tap a squishy. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this is my squishy here, and sorry for the noises in the TV, but let's just do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You did? Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Okay, their one is completed, and I literally stabbed this squishy. Oh my gosh. So now for the second layer, I'm going to choose this squishy maybe. Okay. I'm going to take. I'm just going to take this. Set a squishy. Okay, so I'm just going to sit on this squishy and until the video already ends. So this squishy. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Now for the third layer, this squishy. And this is the last paper, so I want to take that. Okay, what's this? Freeze my squishy. Oh my god. How can I freeze this squishy? Okay guys, now I'm just going to freeze this squishy. But it's so cute. But I'm just going to do it. Okay guys, I got my squishy here. And I'm going to open this freezer. Sweetest Colo. Okay, that sucks.
That's the new breacher. Big blast, no shrapnel. Close the door, clean off.
Until it's done.
Get over.
Okay, so guys, I literally put my frog squishy in the freezer. I'm going to set it until 20 minutes or 10 minutes maybe. 20 minutes too long. So I have here my iPad. Hey guys, it's 10 minutes. Start. Okay guys, I'm just going to wait until 10 minutes until I'm going to take it out. The timer's already done. So yeah guys, let's see the frog squishy.
Take it out! I can.
Okay, I think it still looks good, but you know, it's okay. Okay guys, guys, so this is my squishy over here, and it feels really cold, but it's okay, and it's not like it doesn't damage, and it's super slow now. That's so slow. Just not, it didn't turn out that slow, but it's so slow now. And yeah, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot. I sit on this squishy and just look at this. It's like flat now. And it's very airy. So yeah, guys, that's the squishy dares. Hope you enjoy, and make sure you subscribe my channel, turn on the post notifications, and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.